Good morning, everyone. It's 62 out here, and we have a high wind alert today. We could have gusts 45 mile an hour. So enough to bring down a tree limb or two. This is my spinner I got at the dollar store this weekend. It's not because I want little plastic spinners in my yard. It's because I want to encourage the deer to leave my stuff alone. We'll see. There's several azaleas in the yard in the last couple weeks that have gotten eaten, and now eaten back, not destroyed, but won't bloom properly this spring because they bloom on old growth. So that's a little disappointing. But all the kitties are doing great. And Don and I am going to go for a walk here in a bit. We could also have some rain this afternoon. Hi, bud. Hi. We'll see. Hopefully not before we're back from our walk, though. Hey there, Panther. I heard you talking at the door a little bit this morning. Unfortunately, I did not see either of your buddies yesterday. I didn't see Gypsy on the bridge, let alone up on the porch, and I never saw Spot. And Spot's problem is he comes too late. He comes too late. He needs to come earlier. I kind of expected it yesterday with the rain stopping so late in the day. That, you know, that might keep him from coming. All I can do is put it out here. I just, you know, I worry. And with those two, there's not a lot else I can do but have the food available in the time frame that they usually come and hope that they come. It is what it is. $62 is nice and warm out here this morning. Hi. Hello, sweet girl. Hi. Good morning. Hi, Mom's home today. Yeah, I'll be in to visit with you. Hi. We're up here at South Park to start our walk. Between the wind advisory and us getting a little bit of a late start, we decided to just come up here today. So that be what we're doing. It's 64, but the wind is, you feel the wind. I put on a windbreaker over my weight vest because I was just a bit chilly without a jacket. The park where Don gets to be a kid. Right. It's harder than you think to walk this line because it's uneven. Even the curb or the yellow stripe are pretty easy, but this is, it's not level, and yeah, it's harder than you think. Right, make your brain think. Wow, it's windy. You're getting your fur ruffled. He goes, but Mama, I'm so glad you sat down to spend some time with me. Yeah, I mean, it's 65 degrees and it's dry enough here on the porch to find a spot. I couldn't just walk past him and just go inside. You need some attention, Mom. Well, I'm ready to call this one done. Hey, sweetie, she seems to be favoring her left eye a little bit, looking at her, the one on the right. You know, she had this viral, we don't know what's causing it, stuff going on with her a month or two ago, 3 ago. I took her to the vet, and the vet said it's, you know, it's just viral, let it run its course, it might come back, it's an immune system thing. I'd say she's got the same thing going on with that eye a little bit again. Just enough that she has been closing it a little more than the other one, but not, you know, causing her a lot of grief or concerning me enough to take her to the vet. But I have noticed just a little goop in that left eye. That's not the eye that had the injury. It's the other eye. Poor thing. Hi, sweet pea. Hi. Wow, it's sizzling, Donnie.
Yeah, baby.
He's got nachos with the leftover chuck roast from last night, sliced up and warmed in butter with a smidge, just a smidge of barbecue sauce. I told him when I have time to craft it, I can do a particularly good job. Don's been eating 2 meals a day lately, about 6 to 8 hours apart instead of doing OMAD. You know, we switched stuff up over here, and the current contract is stressful. And he's been working late.
Yeah.
He's been 6:30, even 7 o'clock a couple nights. So he just can't, you know, that gets to be too long for OMAD. And we're trying not to eat too much too late and all that good stuff. So anyway, enjoy your 1 p.m. nachos.
Yeah. Yum.
Made with love, Donnie.
Oh, I agree. Thank you, sweetie.
I'm picking back up at step 271. Putting the awning on the first floor here is the next step. So I'm working on it, starting on it. So the little roof line has been installed here and the awning around the outside, and a finish off of this floor and the top of the steps. I'm guessing the next step is gonna, okay, another sign and some flowers for here, sign and flowers. All right, I'm up to step 327. It's 3:30. It's going good. He came out of his office to a some assembly required box, and he's being a really good sport about it, even though it's already 6 o'clock. But I did make you nachos today.
You did make me nachos.
Well, there's the base for the next floor. This side, the Chinese restaurant, the wall goes on the very outside. Over here for the noodle shop, it goes one down on the edge. This is typical. This is a little different. I could not stand the way the guy had done the floor, because I've done a lot of floors now. It has to be even and straight and firm, and I just can't deal with a hodgepodge even if you can't see it. His looked the same as mine, except for I knew it looked horrible underneath and I couldn't stand it. So I had to fix it. I'm happy with it now. I got these awnings done and, you know, all this other stuff done today. There wasn't anything inside, but the plants and all this decoration outside is all good now. So sometime tomorrow, I'm sure I'll start over here doing something on the second floor.